Name it, I got it. You want it, I got it. What's up, guys? It's Nate Got the Juice, and I'm here with another juicy episode. We about to cook some seafood. So I want to make a seafood boil myself, and I want to make it along with you guys. So I'm gonna bring you guys along with me. I have to go get some seafood first. So we're gonna go to the grocery store, and then we're gonna cook and we're gonna sip, and you guys gonna do that with me. But before we get into this video, I want you guys to like, comment, and subscribe, and do not forget to turn on that post notification bell, because why would you want to be late to when they got the juice video? I'll wait. Thank you guys for subscribing. This month I'm gonna be way more consistent. Last month, I don't even want to talk about it. I really just don't want to talk about it. But yeah, but we're about to get straight into this video. Did you guys miss me? Cause I miss YouTube. I miss y'all. I miss recording. Y'all been going through a lot. I'm probably gonna make a video like explaining where I was at, what I was doing, what's going on. Cause I know it's different. Like, what the fuck, you was just recording this? Don't worry about it. But today, for the seafood, y'all, I want to make crab legs, shrimp, mussels, sausage, boiled egg, lobster. And we about to go in, and it's about to be fire. So right now, I'm about to head to the supermarket. We're gonna pick up some ingredients because I'm like, oh, I want to make a seafood boil, but I don't got no ingredients. So I don't got no seafood. What we really make? So this month, y'all, I want to make it at least to 100 subscribers. So I'm at 50 subscribers right now. I got to 50 subscribers in 1 month, January. February, it was like really slow. I didn't do anything on, I don't know. I just went through something. So, but February, I gained my first 50 subscribers. And this month, I plan on gaining another 50 plus more. So I want a minimum of 100 subscribers by the time the end of the month. So I want you guys to like, comment, and subscribe. And do not forget to turn that post notification bell, so you'll be notified every time I post a video. Because why would you want to be late till they got the juice video? I'll wait. It just be juicy as fuck. Yeah, so we're about to get right into this video, y'all. Don't mind my lace. I ain't make no content in this here. But I'm about to take it out and install a new wig, y'all. I want to do a video like that, probably installing my wig. But I'm no hairstylist. I just do my own hair and my makeup myself. But right now, we about to head to the supermarket to get our ingredients for our seafood mukbang that's about to bust. Yeah, I'm happy. And y'all see, I got a new camera. I got a new MacBook. So yeah, I can edit for you guys a little quicker. I could make better content for you guys, which is not blurry because my last camera was blurry, but I had to start somewhere because if I would have waited, we wouldn't be here right now. We would be just starting. So yeah, thank you guys for tuning in. Everything will get better. Everything is going to get better. And yeah, we're about to head to the supermarket. I'll be back. I'm back. I'm back. What's up, Juice Gang? Welcome back to this channel. It's Nigga Got the Juice, and I'm here with another juicy episode. Today's video, as you can see, I'm about to start by cleaning the seafood. So I'm gonna clean it with water, vinegar, and a little bit of lemon juice. First, I gotta peel it and take all the nasty shit out. Crab legs, lobster, mussels. So, you name it, I got it. You want it, I got it. Ooh, ooh. Yeah, and then I'm gonna be back once I finish cleaning the seafood, and we're gonna get right into this video. Oh shit. Okay. So I have two pots here. I'm gonna use one pot just to right now to boil my crab legs and like clean it and stuff like that, because I hate like the extra nasty stuff on it. We're not having none of that. It's dead. So I'm gonna use that for that. I'm gonna boil my sausage, corn, and potatoes for a little bit just so it doesn't take that long in the oven when it goes all into the bag. And that's about all. So yeah, stay tuned. We must just get into it. Let's go. So I got my crab legs steaming. Shrimp is gonna take fast to cook, so I'm not gonna put that in. I'm about to cut up some sausage right now. I'm gonna cut up some sausage. Potatoes is boiling. Corn is gonna go in just for a little bit because that's gonna go in the oven easily. Then I'm gonna cut up some onions. The mussels are gonna go inside once I put everything in the bag, because that isn't gonna take long to steam either. And that's about it. This is very easy. It's a quick and easy seafood boil. So I'm preheating the oven at 375. Go ahead and get that heated up while our potatoes are boiling. And I'm gonna go ahead and cut up some sausage now and onions. Okay. We cutting up some sausages. So let's talk a little. Let me tell y'all, I really do be cooking a lot, but I feel like I just gotta cook more than so that you guys can see that this is what I actually be doing all day, every day, y'all. I just be cooking, literally just freaking cooking. Watch these. I love to cook. This is my cooking is like my little happy place. I like creating and stuff. And I don't know, I see that I need to get back into my groove of doing things, and I'm just gonna start by cooking. So doing right now, I'm just gonna cut up some sausages. So I'm cutting them like at a diagonal. And it was very hard for me to record y'all because I just make so many videos and then I'm not posting this. This is ugly. I'm not posting it. I'll get so mad. All that. But now, I would get so mad because my camera was blurry. I couldn't edit right. It was taking me too long to edit on my phone. And I just was like, oh, I'm over it. Like, I just got so angry, y'all. But we back. We back and I'm not letting up. I'm gonna try to make one cooking video at least a week for you guys. And one like beauty content video. And then I'm getting my other camera fixed so I can start like doing privacy stuff like on my family. And that's gonna take a little time. So we got some sausages cut up. I have some corn here. So got corn, sausage, potatoes is boiling. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this lobster up real quick, and I'm gonna add it into actually I don't need to add it in. I was gonna boil it. Do y'all like the content I posted already? Is this content better? Y'all rather look at this quality? No, I probably didn't want to look at my last quality because shit, I probably didn't look at it. I feel like that shit's kind of garbage. I'm definitely not stressed about it because we really gotta start somewhere. I got the crab inside. I'm gonna add a little more seasonings. I'm gonna show y'all what season I add. The corn and potatoes, I'm going to add it all into the boil. Then I'm going to let it come to the boil. And then we're going to put it in the seafood bags. And it's real easy. Real quick and easy. You feel me? Garlic powder. I'm gonna add some onion powder. And I'm gonna let this come to a boil first. Then I'll add more seasoning. my oven is already on, y'all. Okay, y'all, so I want to go ahead and open my lobster tail real quick. And then I'm going to go ahead and add the seafood into the seafood bag. So I already cleaned it. It's kind of boiled and everything already. So I'm going to just first... First of all, and my nails become tomorrow. But so we got our bags here. I'm gonna fill it up with seafood. I'm gonna stick butter in it. Then I'm gonna season it. I'm just waiting for the boiled eggs to finish because as y'all can see, I forgot. And then that's about all. I'm gonna do a seafood mukbang after this, so stay tuned. Okay, y'all, this is what we got so far without the seasoning and the butter. We got lobster. This is so thick. Oh my god. Crab legs, mussels, shrimp, lobster, corn, potatoes, boiled egg, you name it, I got it. Period. Period. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and season it. I already added the butter, and then I added some parsley and paprika. I'm gonna add in some Old Bay.